This is Realme GT Neo 3T, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So first of all, connect your device to Wi-Fi, then open up the Google search bar, type in the Fortnite APK query, like this. Among the search results, find the official epicgames.com website, then go for it. Once the web page gets loaded, tap on the download the app from Epic Games link over here, then confirm the file download, then open the file, install the Fortnite, or at the moment we are installing the Epic Games app, then launch it. In here in front of a Fortnite, tap on the black get button and then on this yellow install button. Now we will wait for the game to get downloaded first and then installed. As you can see, once the game gets downloaded and prior to it getting installed, it is required that we allow Epic Games Launcher to install unknown apps, which we can do by turning this switch on. Upon it, we can finally finish the installation, after which we will also able to launch the game. And in here, all that it's left to do for you is to wait for Fortnite to get all the necessary updates and resources downloaded, and after that you'll be able to start playing the game, finally. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.